Unlocking the healing power of your ears. Today, I'm excited to share some fascinating insights about our ears and how they play a crucial role in our overall health, well-being, sleep, relaxation, and healing. The magic of auricular therapy. Our ears are truly remarkable. If you look closely, you'll see an inverted fetus in the inner ear, head at the bottom, spine along the outer curve, and feet at the top. This ancient concept, utilized by acupuncturists and auricular therapists for thousands of years, demonstrates how different parts of our ears correspond to various parts of our body. By stimulating these areas, we can experience incredible health benefits. Ears and the brain connection. The connection between our ears and brain is profound. Stimulating points in our ears sends signals directly to the brain, affecting neurons, hormones, and neurotransmitters. This process can help reduce stress, improve sleep, boost energy, enhance healing, and regulate blood pressure. Simple techniques for immediate relief. Let's dive into some simple ear stimulation techniques you can use right away. Reducing anxiety and stress. Locate the mastoid process bone behind your ear. Gently massage the groove behind this bone with your thumb in a circular motion, clockwise for a minute, then counterclockwise. This technique helps lower your sympathetic nervous system activity, promoting relaxation and tranquility. Eustachian tube relief. To alleviate sinus congestion and tinnitus, gently pull your earlobes and the outer ear back. This action helps open the eustachian tubes, relieving pressure and improving airflow. Energy boost. For a quick energy boost, press your thumbs into your ears and quickly release to create a suction effect. This stimulates the adrenal glands, providing an instant surge of energy. Headache and migraine relief. Squeeze and pull the apex top of your ears with your thumb and index finger. Repeat this action on both ears to help alleviate headaches and migraines. The power of ear stimulation. Stimulating your ears not only targets specific symptoms, but also increases blood flow, delivering essential nutrients and enhancing neurological functions. This process promotes overall wellness by balancing hormones and supporting the central nervous system. A holistic approach to healing. For a comprehensive technique, use all 4 fingers to roll and rub your ears, covering the opening. This action stimulates multiple points, increasing blood supply and activating master points for holistic healing. Do this for about 90 seconds to feel more relaxed, clear-headed, and rejuvenated. Why this matters. These techniques highlight the incredible healing potential within our bodies. By simply using our fingers to stimulate ear points, we can tap into our body's natural pharmacy, promoting repair and wellness. I hope you found this video insightful and helpful. Try these techniques and share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family. Wishing you all health and happiness. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tips and techniques to enhance your well-being. God bless you and see you next time. Please share your comments and questions below. If you found this video helpful, share it with your loved ones. Wishing you many blessings.